Hey guys, welcome back to Snapdudes. Today I'm back with another quick tip tutorial. So sometimes when you export a graphic in Illustrator, right, it adds 1 pixel to the dimensions. So for example, if I create a copy of this artboard right over here, as you can see from the top, it's 400 by 400 pixels. So let me export it. So I'll export this file, right? So uh, if I go to the properties right of the exported file, so as you can see it added 1 pixel to the width and height. So in order to fix this, all you need to do is just go to Illustrator and check out these X and Y coordinates. So as you can see, it has some decimals. So it says 306.981 4 pixels. So all you need to do is to make this a whole number. So I'll remove everything that is after the decimal. So it will be 306 now, and over here it will be 373 pixels. So if I export the file now, so let me do it. So I'll name it test2, right? And now you see the dimensions, right? Those will be 400 by 400 pixels. So yeah, that's how you fix the 1 pixel issue in the exported artwork file. That's it guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.